Hello, class. My name is Jake, and I'm showing you my finished Airborne movie poster project. So this is my finished product. Um, I'm going to explain to you how I met the client's needs first, and then we'll go into the layered version of this. So first off, we have the movie title, which is very important. Need to know what the movie is, right? Above and Beyond. Have that nice and centered right up here. We've got the company logos, and it was a joint venture by Terramont and Sun Pictures. I was able to kind of adjust them, get them together, so it makes it look like it's a joint venture, right? Um, Also, they requested that it be shown as a 1940s period piece, so I made sure to include something that was pretty well known to that time, which was the pinup lady on the rockets and planes. So I actually love that addition there. Very telling for its time. They also wanted to make sure that there was parachutes because it is about paratroopers. So I have the paratroopers up here, and then I've got some planes too, which is just a little something extra I thought was neat. They also wanted to make sure I had it the rating for the film. It's not currently rated, so it's just a placeholder, and I included that right down there. So that is my final product. I'm going to go ahead and explain next my layered, how I got to this. Right, so this is my movie poster broken down. I did want to include too that I did put the 1-inch margins in so they could fit in various different types of prints, which was also requested by the client. There are a few things that are cut out here, but it's nothing super important. There's still parachute, just a little bit of the feet and the hand over here. But the important stuff is still there, the logo, the title, the film, not rated, all that good stuff. Anyway, yeah, so also, let's go ahead and explain how I did this here. So yeah, this is the finished product. When I break it down, we're going to go ahead and just turn everything off here. Click the little eyelids, hide everything. Okay, so first we have my background. I just found this off the internet, and I resized it using the image size tool here. Got it to the correct size. And then we add the foreground in, and this was actually just a picture of planes and parachutes that I used the lasso tool, no, I'm sorry, not the lasso tool, the object selection tool to single these images out and include them into the finished product. Now we've got the logos. The logos were very easy, including the rating placeholder and the title. I just dragged these from my school photo over here, drug them into the Photoshop file, and they became a smart object. And when they were a smart object, I was able to resize them and move them around and get them into the proper place. And then I hit enter, and it was saved like how it is. The lady on the bomb, I cut from another photo. I used the lasso tool for this one. I found that to be the easiest way to do that. So I just drew around her and got her cut out. And yeah, I think she's pretty great. So I also used the opacity tool, couldn't think of the name there, to get it to be a little more opaque and to be seen through just a little bit more so you could see things in the background a little bit better. Yeah, so let's see what else we got. Yeah, and I also did that with the title too. I changed the opaqueness a little bit just so it's not quite as bald and you can still see those paratroopers in the background there. But yeah, this is my project. I hope you guys enjoyed my little tour here, and I look forward to viewing all of yours.